Good morning, students. I hope you all must have completed till question number 7 of exercise 6.3. Let us start with question number 8. E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram. Okay, ABCD and BE intersect CD at F. Show that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. So first of all, let us draw the diagram. So just see the diagram. It is given that E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD. So first ABCD is a parallelogram and E is a point which is on the side of AD produced. Okay, and BE, this side, this intersects CD at F. We have to show that this triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. Okay, so given ABCD is a parallelogram in which E is a point on AD produced, we have to prove that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. Now just see this triangle ABE and triangle CFB. What do you find? That angle A equals to angle C. Why? Because ABCD is a parallelogram and we know that angle A is equal to angle C, opposite angles of a parallelogram. Again, angle AEB, this angle, since this is a parallelogram cut by a transversal EB, therefore this angle is equal to this angle, alternate interior angles. So angle AEB equals to angle CBF, alternate angles. Therefore the two triangles are similar by AA criterion. So you can just see this here. In triangle ABE and triangle CFB, angle A equals to angle C, opposite angles of a parallelogram. Angle AEB equals to angle CBF, alternate angles. Therefore, those two triangles are similar by AA criterion. Now, let us do question number 9. In figure 9, ABC and AMP, AABC and AMP, these two triangles, right angled at B and M respectively. Prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. Okay. Next, CA by PA equals to BC by MP. So let us solve it. Proof. In triangle ABC and AMP, just see this triangle ABC and triangle AMP, angle ABC, this angle is equal to angle AMP, this angle, each equal to 90 degree. This angle is equal to this angle, each equal to 90 degree. Angle BAC, this angle is common in both the triangles. So angle BAC is equal to angle PAM, common. Therefore the two triangles are similar by AA criterion. Now if both the triangles are similar, then CA by PA will be equal to BC by MP, because we know that when the two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. Okay, so that is what you have to write down in this. So in triangle ABC and triangle AMP, angle ABC equals to angle AMP, each equal to 90 degree. BAC equals to PM, common. Therefore the two triangles are similar by AA criterion. Therefore CA by PA equals to BC by MP, because when the two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are also proportional. Now let us do question number 10. CD and GH are respectively the bisectors of angle ACB and EGH, such that D and H lie on sides AB and FE of triangle ABC and triangle EFG respectively. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG, show that. We have to show the three given parts. So let us first draw the diagram. So this will be the diagram. Two triangles are there, ABC and EGF. Okay, these two triangles are there, or FEG you can say, and the bisectors CD and GH are the bisectors of angle C and angle G respectively, and both the triangles are similar to each other. Okay, now both the triangles are similar, so let us prove the first part. Since first part is CD by GH equals to AC by FG. Now in triangle DCA and triangle HGF, angle DCA, this angle you see here, angle DCA, this angle is equal to angle HGF. Okay, because half angle C is equal to half angle, they are similar, therefore their corresponding angles will be also equal, isn't it? So if DCA, if both are similar, so if this angle will also be equal to this angle, so angle DCA is equal to angle HGF, or and angle A is equal to angle F. Just see, angle A equals to angle F. Therefore the two triangles are similar by AA criterion. Therefore CD by GH equals to AC by FG, because when the two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are also proportional. Now second thing which we have to prove is triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE. So let us see the figure first. In triangle DGB and triangle HGE, so let us see the figure. Just see here DCB, okay, this triangle, okay, and HGE, this triangle. To see this, only this half of this triangles, okay. Angle B equals to angle E, since both the triangles are similar, since ABC is similar to triangle FEG, therefore angle B is equal to angle E, okay. Then angle DCB, this angle will be equal to this angle, half of angle C is equal to half of angle G, again because both the triangles are similar, therefore both the two triangles are similar by AA criterion. This is a very simple chapter, children. So both the triangles are we have proved that it is similar. Next is triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF. DCA is similar to triangle HGF. Now again it is the same, DCA is equal to HGF, again it will be the same, this will be equal to this angle, this angle will be equal to this angle, therefore the two triangles will be similar by AA criterion, okay. The same as you have done in second part, same will be done in third part also. Now let us see question number 11. Question number 11 is, in the given figure, E is a point, okay, E is a point on the side CB produced of an isosceles triangle ABC with AB equals to AC. If AD is perpendicular to BC and EF is perpendicular to AC, then prove that triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF. This triangle is similar to this triangle. That is what we have to prove, okay. AB is equal to AC because it is an isosceles triangle, okay. So let us do that. Let us consider the two triangles ABD and ECF. Let us consider these two triangles ABD and ECF, okay. And since AB is equal to AC, so angle B will be equal to angle C. Isosceles property, you all know that angles opposite to equal sides are equal, so angle B will be equal to angle C, okay. Now angle ADB, this angle will be equal to angle EFC, each equal to 90 degree. Therefore the two triangles are similar by AA criterion. So you can see here, okay. Now let us do question number 12. Sides AB and BC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to the sides PQ and QR and median PM of triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So these are the two triangles, okay. Sides AB and BC and median AD, okay, of this triangle are proportional to the sides PQ, QR and median PM, okay. We have to prove that the two triangles are similar to each other. So we can write down that AB by PQ equals to BC by QR equals to AD by PM, because they are proportional to each other. So in the same way we can write down here, according to the given question, AB by PQ equals to BC by QR equals to AD by PM. Now let us prove it. Now since AB by BC, okay, AB by PQ equals to BC by QR equals to AD by PM given, therefore AB by PQ is equal to if it is BC by QR, can we write down as half BC by half QR? Half BC by half QR. If we multiply and divide both by half, the term by half, is equal to AD by PM. Now half BC equals to means BD and half QR means QM. Okay, so AB by PQ equals to BD by QM equals to AD by PM. Therefore the two triangles are similar because corresponding angles of two triangles are similar. Therefore angle ABC equals to angle PQR. Now in triangle ABC and PQR, AB by PQ equals to BC by QR and angle ABC equals to angle PQR. Okay, therefore from 1 and 2 the two triangles are similar by SAS similarity criterion. Okay children. Let us do question number 13. D is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC such that angle ADC equals to angle BAC. Show that CA square equals to CB into CD. So see the figure. D is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC such that angle ADC, this angle, is equal to angle BAC. Show that CA square equals to CB into CD. That is what we have to prove. So in triangle ADC and triangle BAC, so we will take this triangle ADC and triangle BAC. Angle ADC equals to angle BAC given. Angle C equals to angle C common in both the triangles. Therefore the two triangles are similar by AA criterion. Now if the two triangles are similar, then the corresponding sides will be proportional. So CA by CB equals to CD by CA. Okay, a CA square equals to CB into CD. Now let us see question number 14. Sides AB and AC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ and PR and median PM of another triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So let us see this. What is the given? It is given that sides AB and AC and median AD of triangle ABC are proportional to sides PQ, PR and median PM of triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. If they are proportional means what? AB by PQ equals to AC by PR equals to AD by PM. This is what is given. Now we have to prove that both the triangles are similar. For this we have done a construction. We have produced AD to point K such that AD equals to DK and join CK. Okay. Similarly, produce PM to N such that PM equals to MN, join NR. Now we will take the two triangles ADB and KDC. ADB and KDC. These two triangles. Okay, these two triangles. Then AD equals to KD by construction. This angle ADB is equal to angle KDC, vertically opposite angle, and BD equals to DC because AD is the median. Okay, therefore the two triangles are congruent by side angle side property, SAS congruency rule. Therefore AB equals to KC by CP CT. Similarly, in this triangle also, if we take these two triangles, in the same way as we proved here, these two triangles will be congruent by SAS congruency rule. Therefore, PQ will be equal to NR by CP CT. Now, it is already given that AB by PQ equals to AC by PR equals to AD by PM. So, here we have proved that AB equals to KC. So, in place of AB, we will write down KC. In place of Just see, AB equal KC by NR equals to AC by PR. AD is the median, so we can we'll just multiply this by 2. So twice AD by twice PM. Okay, so KC by NR equals to AC by PR equals to, now twice AD is AK by PM, twice PM is PM. That we have found by construction. Therefore the two triangles are similar by SSS similarity criterion. Therefore angle 1 equals to angle 2, angle 3 equals to angle 4. If angle 1 equals to angle 2, angle 3 equals to angle 4, when we add it we get angle 1 plus 3 equals to angle 2 plus 4, or angle A equals to angle P. And AB by PQ equals to AC by PR. Therefore the two triangles are similar by SAS similarity criterion. SAS similarity criterion. Now let us do question number 15. A vertical pole of length 6 meter casts a shadow 4 meter long on the ground, and at the same time a tower casts a shadow 28 meter long. Find the height of the tower. So let's see. So here it is a pole, okay, and this is a tower. Pole is 6 meter. It is casting a shadow of 4 meter long. So here it is 4 meter, okay, and here it is 28 meter, okay, and the we don't know the height of the tower. We have to find out the height of the tower. Now in triangle ABC and PQR, angle B is equal to angle Q, each equal to 90 degree. Okay, angle A is equal to angle P because angular elevation of the sun. Okay, angular elevation of the sun. So it will be equal. Okay, so the two triangles are similar by AA similarity rule. So AB by PQ will be equal to BC by QR. What is AB? 4, PQ 28. So 4 by 28 equals to, in place of BC you write down 6 by H. We don't know H. What is H? So just solve it, you will get it. H equals to 28 into 6 by 4. So that is equal to 42 meter. Now let us do the last question of this exercise. If AD and PM are medians of triangles ABC and PQR respectively, where triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, prove that AB by PQ equals to AD by PM. So AD and PM are the medians of these two triangles ABC and PQR, okay, and the two triangles are similar also. So we have to prove that AB by PQ equals to AD by PM. Now since the two triangles are similar, therefore AB by PQ equals to BC by QR. Now BC is what? Since AD is the median, so in place of BC, can we write down twice BD, and in place of QM we can write down QR, we can write down twice QM. 2 will get cancelled. So AB by PQ equals to BD by QM. Okay, so angle B and angle B equals to angle Q. Okay, so the two triangles are similar by SAS similarity criterion. Therefore AB by PQ equals to AD by PM. Hence proved. So children, do this work in your maths copy. Thank you.